We are fortunate to know the risks of cigarette smoking based on decades of research. However, it can take years before we know the full health impact of vaping, if indeed we ever truly will, says Kenneth Warner, former dean at the University of Michigan Public Health. Throughout the last few years, e-cigarette smoking has become popular amongst a wide variety of people. Clouded by the smoke, many must clear their sights on e-cigarette smoking. However, understanding the makeup, potential benefits, and dangers of e-cigarette smoking allows for knowledge and awareness to grow. In order for growth, dissecting the makeup of e-cigarettes is essential. According to Lauren E. Crotty Alexander, e-cigarettes were created as another device that would hopefully be safer than the conventional use of cigarettes. E-cigarettes are a battery-powered mechanism that allow users to get their fix of nicotine without the additional side effects that traditional cigarettes can have. Unlike traditional cigarettes, e-cigarettes are used when inhaling a liquid that is powered by a battery, which then turns this liquid or flavoring into water vapor. The power source of e-cigarettes is rechargeable, and once power is restored, they can be used again as desired. There are many different shapes and sizes of e-cigarettes. A website ran by the National Institute on Drug Abuse states, regardless of their design and appearance, these devices all run on similar components and have similar designs. Some common nicknames for e-cigarettes are e-cigs, e-hookahs, hookah pens, vapes, vape pens, and mods. Understanding the makeup of e-cigarettes is an important first step in gaining knowledge about them. Not only is it important to understand what e-cigarettes are, but it is also important to understand the health benefits of them. One benefit from e-cigarettes is their ability to be used around others without putting others in danger of secondhand smoke. Unlike traditional cigarettes, e-cigarettes, when used, emit a water vapor substance that does not harm others. This leads to far less exposure to toxic substances. Another benefit claimed by users is that they feel better mentally and physically, that their well-being improves, and that others look to them as more welcoming and cleanly. A periodical posted by Frugality states, e-cigarettes are not without health risks, but are far more safer than the conventional use of cigarettes, and when used in place of traditional cigarettes, can reduce exposure to many toxicants and reduce exposure to adverse health outcomes. However, long-term effects of e-cigarettes on health remain unclear. Even though people recognize the negative effects, e-cigarettes can have positive outcomes. There are many benefits that come from e-cigarettes, but there are also many dangers. One of these dangers being the hidden chemicals inside of them. Some of these dangerous chemicals inside of them include components found in gasoline, a chemical found in antifreeze, and finally, substances used to help to preserve human bodies. Not only is it hard to believe that such hazardous chemicals are placed in this product, but the National Institute on Drug Abuse states, manufacturers do not have to include the ingredients used in these products, so therefore users are unaware of what's inside of them. The main reason behind this is simple. The relative infancy since the 2003 debate and the ever-changing makeup of the device is an unregulated marketplace, which has made it hard for researchers to get a firm grip on just how harmful and how many chemicals are actually in this product, thus leaving the actual dangers of e-cigarettes still unknown. In summary, hidden chemicals in e-cigarettes can project a major hazard to users, thus leaving many wondering, are e-cigarettes more harmful or helpful? Understanding the benefits, dangers, and makeup of e-cigarettes allows for knowledge and awareness to grow. Clouded by the smoke, many must clear their insights on what e-cigarettes are and how they can affect overall health and lifestyle. Throughout the substantial research shown on e-cigarettes usage, individuals should be aware of their potential benefits as well as hazards. As Warner said, we may never truly know the impact of vaping, but we do know is that it is not required inhalant.